We're all on a unique journey. There's no blanket answer for everybody. Everybody has an individual path that only their spirit is the one that can guide them. But see, spirit is like it works backwards. It works backwards from what you're used to. In the physical, spirit is opposite the physical. So, and you probably heard me tell this already, the story about how you're trying to get to an appointment downtown and you're going to catch the bus to that appointment, but everything seems to be an obstacle to you getting out there catching the bus. Your alarm clock goes off late and you're rushing around. You can't find one of your shoes. You finally find that. You can't find your keys. Then you get to the door's stuck. Struggle to get out. You finally get to the bus stop and you just miss your bus. Now you're upset, stressed out, can't make the appointment. Go do whatever you're going to do. You come home later that evening, turn on the news and find out the bus you were trying to catch has been in a serious accident. Some people got killed. Some people got injured. That is when you have a V8 moment. Oh, that's why my spirit wasn't going to let me on that bus. But it wasn't until you saw the end result or the completion or the fulfillment of what your spirit was trying to keep you from, participating in, do you realize it, you see? And that's how spirit does. You get the realization. It's like a V8 moment. Then you look back and see, oh, that's why this happened the way it did, because that was how my spirit, was guiding and protecting me, but I'm focused on my conscious purpose, while my spirit can look around the corner. I can't. It has a broader view. What the spirit is going to teach you is how to trust it. Not to know, not to understand, not to figure out. It wants to teach you a trust relationship with your spirit. Because very soon there's coming a time when spirit says move, you're not going to have the luxury of second guessing. So right now you need to be in training and learning how to flex those muscles by listening to the guidance of your spirit and becoming so secure that whenever I listen to my spirit, things go right. If I don't, then, something bad is going to happen. You have to get in that mode. When I first started training, my spirit first started training me, I was living in Atlanta, and it trained me on a mundane way. It said, well, why don't you go to the movies on Sunday? And I'm like, okay, I'll get me a Saturday paper because it's cheaper than the Sunday paper, to see what's coming on. And that Saturday, they threw me a paper. They didn't throw me one before or afterwards. That's really what my spirit wanted me to see. By the same token, I'm coming out of the grocery store one day and the spirit said, go back in and get you some light bulbs. I'm like, I'm not going all the way back in there and get me no light bulbs. Of course, when I get home, my lights blow out. So that's what it was training me. If I listened to it, things would blossom, the newspaper. But if I didn't, things would get shaky, the light bulbs. And the more I got that experience, the more confident and comfortable I became with that process. And then the more powerful I became. So we're all getting that type of training from our own spirit in each our own unique and personal way.